In this video, we will talk about how to disable Windows 11 login password and lock screen. First, we need to know your username. For that, open File Explorer. Click on this PC. Double-click on Local Disk C. Open Users folder. Here, you can see your username. If you are signed in with your Microsoft account, then check out the video link given in the description. Now, click in Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Type net user, your username, then double commas, and press Enter. Now click on Start and restart your PC. Here, you can see Windows 11 not asking for password anymore. So that's how you can disable Windows 11 login password and lock screen. See you in the next video.